You and I and me.
The new Logix 8 Varioperfect with EcoSilence drive motor is a quieter, more powerful and more efficient washing machine from Bosch that once again revolutionizes laundry care.
We you and I and me.
Conventional washing machine motors use carbon brushes in contact with an armature that creates a magnetic field to spin the motor.
That's all we are, that's all we'll ever be. And when the world is laughing about us,
The brushes cause friction on the armature, creating unwanted noise and increasing wear and tear, lowering the efficiency of the washing machine. The friction also creates heat, which means a loss of energy.
give me joy and laughter. Give me a handsome.
The Bosch EcoSilence drive motor is very different. Unlike conventional washing machines, the armature has powerful built-in magnets which create their own magnetic field.
We're a hell of a lot. And 1, 2, 3.
So the motor requires no brushes.
Here and see.
And no brushes means no energy wasted due to resistance or friction or heat, making it quieter and more energy efficient. It's simply in a class of its own. The EcoSilence Drive represents the latest generation of brushless motors. The unique permanent magnets mean no wear and tear, extending the motor's life. A bit like an energy-saving light bulb, it uses less energy, lasts longer, and is almost as quiet.
Give me a handsome tune. It's us, it's we, it's all about.
But noise reduction doesn't end there. We have also reduced it further with our new anti-vibration sidewalls. The circular anti-vibration design ensures more stability, less vibration, and as a result, much less noise.
About need you. You and I
And even the inside of the washing machine is different.
out of a kind of a
The new Variosoft drum design gently rolls and turns your washing using paddles and the asymmetrical glass door. So stains and dirt don't stand a chance.
and I and me. We're a hell of a lot. And 1, 2, 3. Just listen.
And with new Varioperfect, we have given you complete choice and control of your wash, from program selection to time taken and energy used.
Sing about us.
This line represents perfect washing results every time you use the washing machine. In normal mode, it automatically selects the optimum time and energy use for each program. The Varioperfect option allows you to choose a faster wash using more energy in less time, or a slower wash using less energy in more time.
It's we, it's all about.
So, it's your choice. Super fast or super economical, but always perfectly clean.
We're a hell of a lot. And 1, 2.
And with a choice of up to 16 specific wash programs and weight sensors that determine load and adjust energy consumption, you can now wash your clothes more efficiently than ever before.
Is laughing about us. It's all
The new Logix 8 Varioperfect with EcoSilence drive is 30% more efficient than energy efficiency Class A.
kind of romance. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's also our quietest washing machine, washing up to 60% faster than ever before.
It's us, it's we, it's all about you. Oh.
The new Logix 8 Varioperfect with EcoSilence drive for perfect results every time.
It's us, it's we, it's all about you.
Bosch, invented for life.